Hey, today we got a spacious tiered patio for you guys. Flows right down to the pool. We got fire, we got water, we got a pergola, we got it all. Come check it out. For this project, we wanted it to feel like one large area, ideal for entertaining, yet have its own defined, unique spaces. So for this space, we used the windows as a backdrop, really highlighting the unique architecture of the house. We did a wood-burning fire pit. They got the sofa, lounge chairs, and over here, under the louvered roof, we made it more dining oriented. Just steps away from the door, the family can have their meals out here. Under the covering, we got the grill, as well as the rail top bar. We did a curved granite rail top bar here, all overlooking this gorgeous view of the pool. Best spot to have your meals. And just 2 steps down from the dining area, we have the main pool patio. Over here, we have plenty of room. Everyone can hang out, still feel interconnected with the other spaces. We have the lounge chairs over here, ideal for laying out in the sun, catching a tan, and looking at this gorgeous pool. And when you're done lounging, you can make your way over here to the pool and either get in nice and slow, enjoy the sun deck for a bit, or you can hop right in. And everything's complemented by this gorgeous stone feature wall we did with a blue stone cap. We have 2 fire torches and 3 waterfalls. If you guys enjoyed seeing this space and hearing a designer's perspective, then give us a follow. We got plenty more coming your way.